Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to discuss about automatic offsets. What is automatic offsets in Oracle Fusion Payables? It ensures that accounting entries remain balanced when invoices or payments span multiple balancing segments. They automatically generate offsetting journal lines, preventing out-of-balance situations in multi-entity setups. The purpose is to balance accounting entries in Fusion. When transactions involve multiple balancing segments, without automatic offsets, invoice is single liability entry, payment is single cash entry. This causes imbalance across segments. With automatic offsets, system automatically create offsetting entries for invoices, payments and prepayments. Ensure balancing segment remains in sync. And there are two options. Let's see those two options, then I'll explain. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, search for the task called common options. For payables and procurement. Now here you can see automatic offsets. The options are primary balancing segment and all segments except natural account. We will see what is primary balancing segment. The system copies the primary balancing segment, usually company or entity, from the invoice distribution to offset the account like liability or cash. This ensures entities accounting entries remain balanced. When to use this? Ideally for multi-entity setups where invoice span multiple companies or other balancing segments. When to use? All segments except natural account. The system copies all segments except the natural account segment. Example, cost center, department, location, etc. from the invoice distribution to offset the account. The natural account like liability remains unchanged. We use this when you want to detailed balancing across multiple dimensions such as cost center or department level balancing. And what are all the best practices is like for organizations like multi-entity Indian statutory compliance, should choose primary balancing segment. Choose primary balancing segment if you only need entity level balancing. Choose all segments except natural account if your reporting requires cost center or department level balancing. So we'll see only primary balancing segment. First we'll create an invoice, then you will see the error. Go to payables, click on create invoice. Since it is a demo instance, it is slow. Now select your business unit. Digital US business unit. Select supplier. Now say automatic. And amount is $500. Say $500. Now in liability account, the balancing segment is 1000, and we will give the balancing segment company as 2000, department, We'll take flight expense. Click on OK. Since it is a demo instance, it is too slow. Kindly wait for a couple of minutes. Click on Save. Validate the invoice. Okay, we'll enter a different invoice number. Automatic _1. Now, say validate. The invoice is validated. Now click on Post to Ledger. System has throw error. See? Click on New Accounting. You must either modify the account rule to balance the journal entry by balancing segments or enable intercompany balancing for ledger. It is showing an error. So it is not balancing. So to automatically balance, what we will do is we will go to common options for payables and procurement and select common options for payables. Open the task and we will select primary balancing segment. Now click on save and close. Now click on home. We will create one more invoice. Select digital business unit, digital supplier, number automatic _2. Now say $500. Now click on lines, $500. Select the company 2000. Digital financial services, operation, account, freight, intercompany, default, project, default, future 1, default, and future 2, default. Click on OK. Save the invoice. Click on Invoice Actions to validate the invoice. Click on Post to Ledger. The accounting has been completed. So system automatically balanced the entry. So view accounting. Now let's say this is the entry. system has balanced the entry 2000 5241 this is the debit line what we have entered item expense. You can see the freight and what is the liability account. Click on show more, click on accounting. This is the liability account 21010, that is the system. In that way system has balanced the accounting entry. Only primary balancing segment you can see, the rest all different. Now we'll try with other option. Click on done, click on save and close. Now we'll try with other option. Click on setup and maintenance. Click on common options for payables and procurement. Open the task, common options for payables and procurement. You select all segments except natural account. Click on save. Save and close. Click on home. Now create one more invoices. Click on task list or task pane. Click on create invoice. Now select the supplier. Select the supplier. Digital supplier. Number automatic _3. Now say $500. Click on lines. $500. Now take the distribution account 2000 department operation account, take freight, intercompany default, project default, future 1 default, and future 2 is also default. Click on OK. Save the record. Validate the invoice and click on invoice actions, post to ledger. Accounting has been completed. View accounting. Except natural account, system has balanced all the balancing entries. You can see, right, all the default values it has taken. And or else I'll create one more invoice, then you will be able to understand. Click on show more, click on accounting. Here you can see 1000 is there, liability distribution 1000 is there, but here you can see validated, accounted, everything is 0000. The liability is also balanced. So in this way, if you only select primary balancing segment, it will balance the entry primary balancing wise. If you select all segments except natural account, only natural account will be unchanged and remaining accounts will be balanced according to the debit line. Now click on done. Click on save and close. Click on home. In this way, automatic offsets works. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Please share, subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.